Hello, teacher and partner. My name is Vanessa Tapia, and this is the Black Princess. This is my flip book. Once upon a time, Princess Jane lived in a beautiful castle. Jane is the beautiful princess of a small village in Gimber. She lived in the castle with her parents, but normally all princes are white. But Princess Jane was black. Although he was a beautiful and elegant and brilliant person, she has a big smile and big eyes. So her parents and the people of the village really like her. But he has an enemy. That enemy is Deborah. She also is beautiful with blue eyes, tall, elegant, and of course she is of the royalty. But nobody in the village don't like her. Was a time in which the village selected the new queen of the village. In other times, the queens just were one, and the village didn't choose. But in this case, everything was different. The Princess Jane was very worried because she always said that she couldn't be the queen because she said that she was black, and the real princess weren't black. Although she had an advantage, all the bees really loved her. For select a queen, the princess have to participate in the competition that the bees prepare with different challenge. The princess that will win all the challenge get the queen's crown. The different activities that they have to develop are 1. Sing. 2. Sew clothes. 3. Feed the animals. 4. Teaching a class to the children. And 5. Talk about the help that I'm going to provide the community. The both princes were ready for the competition, but the Princess Jane didn't know that Deborah was going to do everything possible to make her lose the competition, making cheating. So the day of the competitions came. All the people were meeting in the town to see the both beautiful princes. The first competition was sing. To the Princess Deborah started singing a beautiful song, and the people of the villages liked it. But when it was the turn of Princess Jane, Deborah cut the wire, and the Princess Jane couldn't sing very well. So the first point was for Deborah. Nobody suspected about that. The people just think that was the destination. So the next day was the second competition. But in each competition, Princess Deborah always did something wrong to make the Princess Jane look bad. The last day of the competitions, the Princess Jane was very sad because she didn't understand what happened. Because she was prepared for all the competitions and always said that the fault was her color skin. The final day came, and both princes was in the palace waiting for the result. Princess Deborah was very happy because she knew that she was the winner. But when the jury mentions the winner, that was Deborah, a man say, "Stop! She can, she can be the queen of that village. She is a cheater." The competitions lied and made that the Princess Jane lost it. The people of the villages were surprised, and Deborah began shout and say that he was lying. But the man had evidence and showed it to the people. But the people asked, "Who is he?" So, "I am the Prince Michael White of north of the village, and I knew about the selection of the new princess. I wanted to know which was the princess that the people of the villages were going to choose. So I was looking all the time the Princess Deborah, and she had been making cheating. So the Princess Jane should be the new queen, and I want to get married with her. The people of the big judge were very happy because the new princess was Jane, and the Princess Jane also was very happy. Reflections. Making cheating is not a good option to win or get something. The most important is being loyal, intelligent, and being compromised. The color of your skin is not an impediment to achieve dreams. And thank you.